Today we're showing you how we spent one incredible day exploring Bermuda on our own. Using ferries, buses, and a little walking, we visited historic St. George's, enjoyed lunch at the famous Swizzle Inn, explored Hamilton, and made it back to our cruise ship with time to spare.
Hi, I'm Linda.
And I'm Tim.
And this is our second journey.
Our day began at the Royal Naval Dockyard, where Norwegian Cruise Line provides a complimentary ferry to St. George's. This ferry ride takes about 45 minutes and is worth it for the views alone. Along the way, you'll see beautiful turquoise waters, scenic coastline views, and even get a unique look at your cruise ship from the water. We did this tour while on board the Norwegian Aqua. If you're interested in that ship, please subscribe so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Arriving in St. George's feels like stepping back in time. This UNESCO World Heritage town is packed with history and charm. We started near Ordnance Island before walking through King Square, the heart of town. We were also able to visit the St. George Town Hall, which is right in King Square. Next, we visited St. Peter's Church, one of the oldest Anglican churches outside the British Isles. Linda couldn't resist shopping at Lili Bermuda Perfumery, where she sampled several fragrances and even found one to bring home. From there, we enjoyed the peaceful beauty of Summer's Garden before making our way to one of Bermuda's most unique landmarks, the unfinished church. After exploring St. George's, we hopped on Bermuda's public bus system and headed to the famous Swizzle Inn. Known as the home of the original Rum Swizzle, this stop was a must for us. We enjoyed lunch, shared a picture of Rum Swizzles, and soaked in the fun atmosphere. We swizzled in, and we swaggered out. Just across the street, we made another important stop, Bailey's Ice Cream. The homemade ice cream was the perfect treat before continuing our adventure. Our next bus ride took us into Hamilton, Bermuda's colorful capital city. One of the highlights was visiting the Cathedral of the Most Holy Trinity, whose impressive architecture stands out above the city's skyline. Afterwards, we strolled along Front Street, enjoying the waterfront views, browsing the shops, and taking in the vibrant atmosphere. Of course, no visit would be complete without stopping for a dark and stormy Bermuda's signature cocktail. To wrap up the day, we boarded the public ferry back to the Royal Naval Dockyard. What we loved most about this itinerary is how easy it was to see multiple sides of Bermuda in a single day. From historic St. George's to the famous Swizzle Inn and the bustling streets of Hamilton. If you're cruising to Bermuda, we highly recommend exploring beyond the cruise port. Bermuda's ferry and bus system make it easy, affordable, and fun. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Our Second Journey, and let us know in the comments what your favorite spot in Bermuda is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.